Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this look, but before we do that, I wanna make a comment about the situation we're living right now. I know it's a difficult one, so please be conscious and stay safe for you and for your family. My husband and I traveled back to the US about a week ago to quarantine with my family because we just didn't feel like staying in the island was a good choice. Anyways, I also wanted to tell you that you are not alone, we're all in this together. So I'm gonna leave some Bible verses that have helped me through times like this in the description bar below in case you wanna read them, but just know you are not alone, so stay safe and let's get on with the video. As always, don't forget to subscribe and please leave me a comment. Let me know how you're dealing with all this situation, all this craziness. Let me know how it's impacting you. I would love to hear from you guys. Anyways, I created this look because I've never really worn green eyeshadow and I really wanted to see how it looked on me. So I started with a very light green shade and I used that as my transition shade. I put it all over my crease. I actually started with a bluish shade, but I didn't like how that was going, so I switched back to a more greenish shade. Then I combined two shades of green to put all over my lid as a base. I kind of wanted at this point for my look to start looking more green rather than blue because that's what I felt that the first shade did, that it was turning the look a little too blue or a little more blue than I actually wanted. But I took a combo of these two greens and I applied them or smudged them all over my lid just to serve as a matte base for the other shimmery colors that I wanted to build on top of them. Taking this color now, this one has more of a satiny finish and I'm gonna apply it again over the base of the two shadows that I put just a minute ago. So this one is gonna be my all over lid shade. And to intensify the outer corner, I'm gonna mix these two shades over here. I know I mix shades a lot, but I really do enjoy mixing shades to achieve the shade that I actually want. But anyways, I'm gonna be smudging them on my outer V to create dimension. And before finishing the eyes, I'm gonna get started on my base and I'm gonna use the J.One jelly pack as my primer. I really love the hydration that this product provides and I like how it sticks my foundation to it pretty much and locks it in for the whole day, but it's so sticky that throws me off a little. The foundation I'm gonna be using is the BH Cosmetics Flower Foundation, I'm pretty sure it's called. I enjoy this foundation. Actually, the color matches me pretty well and it has a very radiant natural finish that I really enjoy. My only con with this one is that I don't think it lasts on my skin as long as other foundations do, but it's still a very good option and very affordable. Next, I'm gonna be taking the MAC Cosmetics Smooth Wear Concealer to correct my imperfections. Of course, I'm gonna be applying this to my under eyes and any acne scar or any acne visible still after the foundation. To lock everything in place, I'm using my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I do enjoy this one because it is not too drying. It is great for dry skin types. I have more of a normal skin type, but I still enjoy this powder as well, especially when my acne medication or products have dried out my skin a little bit too much. I really enjoy this powder. It looks smooth on the skin. Like I said, it's never too drying. I really enjoy it. Now to complete the eyes, I'm gonna take my ColourPop cream gel liner in the color teaspoon, and I'm gonna apply it to my waterline. Also, I'm gonna be mixing these two colors and smudge them on my lower lash line. I'm gonna use this color also to intensify the look a little bit more. I'm gonna put it close to my lower lash line. And after this, I just need to add the details to my eyes. So I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm gonna use it for my brow bone highlight, my bad. I did a wing liner using my Epic ink liner from NYX. I really enjoyed this eyeliner. It is very precise and black and it doesn't smudge or transfer on me. And now it's time for some bronzer. Let's add some color back to this face. And I'm gonna take my Physicians Formula bronzer and I'm gonna apply it on the perimeters of my face. Taking my Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Trio in Fair Light, I'm gonna use these two colors. I'm gonna mix them together and I'm gonna apply them to my cheeks. I like to apply my blush parallel to where I place my bronzer, and also I like to take whatever is left on the brush and I put it on my forehead, also parallel to where I place the bronzer on that area. I put a little bit on my nose, on my chin, and after that I just set everything in place and I'm gonna apply my Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. I'm taking the Beverly Hills shade, but I'm pretty much using the white highlighter shade to give a pop to my inner corners. I'm gonna come back to this highlighter in a minute. I have no idea why I went back and forth with my highlighter here, but oh well. I'm gonna line my lips and I'm gonna apply some lip gloss. I'm using my ColourPop So Juicy lip gloss. I really love this lip gloss. And then back to the highlighter, I'm gonna be highlighting the high points of my face. And I wanted to add a pop to my eyes, so I took this e.l.f. glitter. It's a very fine male glitter and it's just white. I'm using glue to stick it on my eyes. I wanna make sure they stay on my eyes and they don't go all over my face. And after that, I'm just gonna pop some lashes on. I'm using the Nikia Joy Cosmetics lashes on the style Mia. I know I'm showing you another one in the box, but that's because I forgot to film the lashes before I put them on. And that pretty much concludes this look. I was surprised that I actually enjoyed this color, and it's kind of funny because I never tried that before. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one.